welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you yet another Billie Eilish song. We're going to do Ocean Eyes. So this has been requested quite a lot on my channel. So it's really quite simple in terms of the chord structure. So we are just going to look at the piano accompaniment today and incorporate the melody line in there as well, because it translates really nicely to piano. So the key is in E minor. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of E minor, and these are what the chords and the melody line is based around. So there's only two sections or two different chord progressions that make up the whole song. So like in most of my videos, I have listed the full chord song lyric structure in the description below so that you can sort of piece it together and follow along with the lyrics. So it is the same thing all the way through in terms of the chord structure, then of course the melody line differs slightly. In the bridge section, there's sort of lots going on, like there's sort of voice effects. You could just play the chords in that section. So let's have a look at the right hand first. So first of all, here is middle C in my piano. This is just a reference, and I'm going to be starting here. So I'm going to play the melody line in chords to make it sound more full. So picking out the top note and then forming the chords around those. So the first chord we're going to play is a C major second inversion, which is G, C and E. And then we're going to come to a D major first inversion, which is F sharp, A and D. And then an E minor, which is E, G and B. So this is mostly what the piece is doing all the way through. So C major, D major, E minor. Then the left hand, you're going to play below middle C in fifths. So C and G, D and A, and then E and B. So together, that would fit like this. So this will be the intro. And then you're going to play that E minor again, and then G major, which is G, B, D, and then down to the C, and in the right hand just play C and E. So this is also effectively what's going on throughout the entire song. So we're going to have a look at the verses now. So we have these in between melody notes. And then A, G, A, and then back to, and back to here again. A, G, A, and then to the E minor again, G major, then it does that again. The last part of the verse where she's singing those ocean eyes. So you're going to play that last part again. So E minor, G major, and then come up and play the C second inversion. So I'm going to play the verse all the way through, and this will be the same for each verse. chorus. So to look at the chorus, I'm actually going to move my camera higher up so we can play some higher notes. So you're going to need this B. So we're going to look at the melody line first, because the left hand is still doing the part, exactly the same. And I'll show you a way you can make the left hand slightly more complicated as well. So we have B, G, A, G, E, B, A, G, E, G, A, G, and then B, D, E. So the notes I'm using there, so it's all based around the minor pentatonic. So E, G, A, B, D. So I'll do that again. So I'm just playing along with like the syllables that she's singing. And then do that again. And the last bit. And then E at the end. So I'm going to put that together for you now, just with this left hand part, the simplified one, and then I'll show you it with slightly more complex left hand. So alternatively, in the left hand you could play C, E, G, D, F sharp, E, E and B. So you could also break up the E minor, G part as well. So you're breaking up the chords and making it just sound more full, I guess. So that concludes the tutorial and all the different sections that you need to play the whole song. So again, go check the description for the full chord song lyric structure. So I hope this video has been useful and that you have enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if it has. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed already, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. I have many more piano tutorials, so go to my channel and check them out. If you can't find what you're looking for there, go to the comment section of this video and you can, sorry, that's my dog walking in the room. Go to the comment section of this video and you can follow that link that I've posted and submit a piano tutorial request in that space. All requests are noted and considered, so yours could be coming up soon. So I hope to see you in future videos. Bye bye.